This khichdi is no ordinary. Wholesome comfort food which is nutritious and yummy at the same time. Let's make Mix Veg Masala Khichdi. Here I have 1 cup of Moong Dal that I am putting to roast. I will roast the dal for 5 minutes on low to medium heat until it turns fragrant and starts changing color. For those wondering why we have not washed it first, don't worry, we will do that next. I am washing the dal after the roasting process and trust me, this brings a lot of difference in the taste. Next, I am roasting 1 cup of rice for 3 minutes that I had washed and drained out all the water. You can use any short grain rice. Now, I am putting 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to heat. Into this goes 4 medium-sized potatoes peeled and halved. We will be frying them lightly for 3 minutes. Next, I am adding 6 to 7 cauliflower florets to fry and along with it 1 carrot peeled and cubed. They have been frying for 3 minutes. Time to saute the spices next. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is heated. I am adding to this 2 bay leaves, 2 green cardamom, cloves, 2 dried whole red chillies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 inch ginger grated. Saute for 30 seconds. Now goes in 2 chopped tomatoes. Time to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Let's saute the spices for a minute. Now goes in the roasted rice, dal, veggies and 2 teaspoons of salt or as per your choice. Let's bring everything together. I am adding 4 cups of water. Closing the lid and we will let the khichdi cook for 15 minutes. Do not forget to stir occasionally as the dal tends to settle at the bottom. Also, if you feel the water is less as per the consistency you want, you can add a bit more. Let's check. The khichdi is cooked. In the end, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Mix in. Mix Veg Masala Khichdi is ready. Let's serve it. Drizzle some nice yummy ghee over the khichdi for a perfectly satisfying meal. You can pair it with sweet tomato chutney, the link to which you can find in the description box below. Enjoy! Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.